experience, like what it's like to do constructing for like maybe a job or for diploma. Like what things you're going to use, what program you're going to use, and how it's going to be like, and some information about it.
It's the Construction Awareness Mobile. It is our physical entity that we use in the 14 to 19 team to deploy across our Newham schools and wider boroughs to raise awareness of both the new types of teaching and learning and the diplomas that are coming on board across our schools. It's playing two roles really. Obviously, as you know, we put this, always use the CAM to raise awareness of the construction diploma and the types of technical skills that you can use in the construction industry. So the students are using Autodesk Revit software, which is the industry standard software aboard CAM today.
CAM is Construction Awareness Mobile, so it's raising awareness of the diploma courses. CAM can go to individual people, schools, colleges, also the different organizations, and provide information and training. It can be had for a full day, it can be had for half a day. Also can be beneficial to the diploma course as well. It can be delivered a part of the diploma course. We have quite a few organizations involved with this project. Especially I would like to thank COIT actually funding this project, and Construction Skills, who is helping us to basically run this project, and Westfield, LSC, some other organizations. They are helping us to marketing this project as well, within the borough as well as nationally. It comes equipped with 8 laptops, a server and projectors. Also we have a software called Autodesk Revit, which is industry standard software. Architects, professional people use to design buildings and bridges and other things.
It adds value to students' experiences due to them being able to come onto the bus and be able to use the advanced software, which is industry related software to the construction industry. So that's an experience that Mohammed, who is the manager of the CAM Mobile, can bring to them in his knowledge and awareness of the software.
I wanted to do a business building, so it looks like if you look from different ways, it looks differently from different points of view. So if you look from the side, it look differently. From that side, it look differently. And it's like going to be like a mess up with the illusion of human, like how they see it.
Well, pretty much this is meant to be my house. That's where the entrance is, but I ain't put the door in yet. Well, I'm just trying to be adding stairs and doors and that. It took me roughly 5 minutes to build this.
It just easily takes the shape, like the walls and the door and everything. Like you imagine in your head, just becomes like you can see, you can make it there, and it just looks real. It's like quite exciting that you might see it as a building as well.
Before I thought you just had to draw the building, design it out, and then build it. But then today I've learned that you have to get permission first, then you got to build foundation, build a hole in the ground, and then it's not just like a little thing. You got to do lots of planning.
There's an add-on to that that we've also got Dave Waite from Construction Skills down, who's giving them some careers advice about if you like what you've been doing today in the classroom, how could you actually apply that in industry, in the diplomas, in the construction industry. So he's been talking to them about that, and again it's giving them more options and pathways so that they can actually see the relevance of what they're doing here today in terms of what they might pursue at 16 and beyond.
Come on board really just to raise awareness of the industry and the different routes and opportunities that the industry offers young people.
He was explaining to us about construction and different types of construction, like bricklayers and civil engineering and different types of parts you could do in construction.
There's not many options under construction except for architecture and the builders. But now I know that there's so many other options there to do it under construction. So there's a lot more jobs to do.
This actually set my mind to picking construction because it's quite fun as well.
Learning about construction diplomas, it's an option for us to do. We're learning about how it works basically.
Our enterprise there's an enrichment day at Forest Gate Community School, and the young people in Year 9 have been working on a classroom of the future because Lend-Lease are doing a consultation with them and want to know their ideas about what classrooms of the future should look like. So we thought, what better than, although they've done some really fantastic designs and ideas on paper and on PowerPoint, what we wanted to give them was an opportunity to come on board the CAM and actually translate that onto the software, Autodesk Revit software, and produce 3D models and plans of their classrooms so they can show it to Lend-Lease.
What we've been doing along these past few weeks is designing classrooms for the future.
I think you've all been absolutely fantastic. It's about how you integrate the information that you receive, how you in some ways interpret that information so it can be used in proposals for the design, usage and management of the different facilities we've got. And that's why it's important that I'm involved. I know that Ruth is doing reports on the data that we've seen so we can comprehensively look at the key areas and prioritise those areas of interest. If the children care most about space, if they care most about the flexibility of how the classroom's usage, if they care most about where the teacher's located or the types of facilities and amenities they have, we'll look at seeing how those are prioritised. And then we bring our architects in. Our architects will talk directly to the children, they'll look at the reports, and then they'll integrate it back into those designs.
Construction a built environment, but actually get to apply their skills in real work situations, which is something that all students generally find interesting, to be able to get that hands-on experience.
It was great, you know.